What to do when brand new Rheem Gas Hot Water tank responds with failed ignition lockout right out after install. LED starts with heartbeat, alternate bright/dim light. Then after a few minutes LED flashes 6 times, small pause then 5 times and a pause and that recycles. Flash sequence of 6 then 5 is defined as failed ignition lockout. What to do from there?
Hello.
Hi, I'm just seeing if there was an answer provided. I'm not seeing your answer in my screen. Can you please point it out to me? Thanks.
Okay, if you just installed it, the gas may not be bled to the valve. How many times have you tried to light it?
3 times.
Okay, is this a power vent unit?
Yes, and the vent does open upon startup.
Okay, do you see the igniter glow?
No, I assume I'd see that through the small window provided in or around the burner, correct?
Yes, you may have a broken igniter. It may have been damaged when the unit was moved or delivered or bad from the factory. Take the plate off and check it. I bet it is broken.
I was afraid you'd say that. As it is under warranty, by Rheem that part would be replaced at no charge.
Yes, for sure, but you may not want to wait for them. I would check it out and replace it unless you want to be without hot water for a week or more. They will take their time getting out there.
Ah. I assume they would take some time. Where mostly likely would the part be available?
You can get it online or from a local HVAC supplier.
I do appreciate your help this evening. Thank you. I will do that. Smile.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.